You might be suspecting or you may have received an alert that someone unknown logged into your TikTok account and want to log them out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log someone out of your TikTok account. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's go ahead and open up our TikTok app right over here. And from your For You page or from any other page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, click on this 3-bar line at the top right. And click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. From here, click on Security, and you should be able to see the Manage Devices option, so tap on that. And this page should show the devices where your account is logged in. So if, for example, you see an unknown device that has logged into your TikTok account, you just click on this trash icon right beside that device that is unknown to you. So click on that and click on remove. So that will log out your account on that device. So tap on remove, and that should again log you out of your TikTok account on that specific device. So I advise you that if you don't recognize any of the devices, remove the device as we just did and change your password to protect your account. So to change our password, let's go back to the page and click on account right over here and click on password. So from here, TikTok will be sending a code to your email, and you should put your code right here, and you should be able to change your password just by following the instructions. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.